Greetings everyone, my name is Bandile Fihla. I am a founder of Iyezalepleyiti, the company that distributes a colic remedy. Why I started this company? I started the company because I wanted to solve the problem of colic problem to our baby mamas. After realizing that everyone who went to the clinic will go back without being helped because they will tell the person that the colic doesn't have any remedy. However, the child will overcome the colic in a space of 3 months. So I saw a reason for me to start this company and be a distributor for the company. What are the full service that we provide? We provide the distribution of this colic remedy to our clients. We're using all the what you call the online platforms, which is your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram. We are a manufacturing and distribution company of a colic remedy. We use the online platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also we are on WhatsApp. And we also partnered with the courier company that helps us to distribute our products within a space of 3 to 5 working days. How to contact us? You go on Facebook, we go as Iyezalepleyiti, Iyezalepleyiti, and then on Instagram we are IL_for kids. On TikTok you go for Bandile Fihla, and obviously for WhatsApp it's 078-975-3468 078-975-3468. My name is Bandile Fihla. I am the Township Entrepreneur.